Hey everybody, Salty Sarge here. We're over at A1A in DeSoto at beach access, doing a little surf fishing. We got a 11-foot rod and a 12-foot rod shrimping mullet right now, and we'll see what's going to happen. The waves are looking pretty good. It's not too windy. It's nice and calm. There's some birds out. Sand fleas are out, so we'll see what happens. Hey, Salty Sarge here. Landed a nice big fat stingray. The bite's been really slow. That's all we got so far, and a little whiting. So we're gonna set this guy free. Check him out. Teach a man to fish, and you can feed a village. Salty Sarge doing it again, son.